minutes entremu kakra me who post be Kevin Taylor I post to maybe on Facebook. I'm still an MPP member and nobody can stop me. I will sue. Such an irresponsible person undi huni no muadie na yakofa no etrianeka yako poaching from MPP. No MPP no, you're very decent, very respectful, very responsible and very humble person, because MPP the party attracted responsible people. But the moment NDC led by President Mahama, any Ibrahim Mahama, any Mama Jane Pokumu, any Julius Zebramo, the NDC fraternity decided to engage Kevin Taylor, poaching from MPP to NDC. Ebe started to be NDC for Juma. Ebe share Ghana Bonia so no se no or campaign Mahama or ye Juma Mahama into no or go all out. The TOBR term. Everybody in Ghana in share. Kevin Taylor disrespecting everybody, and then NDC for MPP for at this only party also be sued, and I think say this is one of the most useless suitor or be filing, and Nanakasa not to be filing because MPP for at this only long time, and currently is in bed with the NDC. He's a member of NDC. He's working for the governor already, and NDC for wabedi kufuwa tem ama NDC for say on patrol and on patrol. We no wonder. This is a party. They are used to violent insults, or they are a party. Somebody insulting violent, it take over, it win elections. And Obia did the attempt now from Sam George, Sami, Jemfi, and name them. Everybody Bia did the attempt Bia or NDC mono. And then Mama, I'm an appointment. They are promotomo. They are communicators. No Bia in your baby share. The sorting out is going on. Yeah, sure. Your mama appointed. They are enjoying and saying I am enabled almost. And they are doing the money. But the painful thing is that we have cyber security authority. Sam George communication we're about saying misinformation, disinformation, insulting, and we will not tolerate. Mahama Kasa about and insult and then social media crime and digital crime. You know, we are going to deal with it. And we have some courts and judges who are doing the bidding of the ruling government. The moment they drag their opponents to court for insult and attack on the judiciary, they quickly these judges quickly normal remanding Kwafono. So we have issues where and then Kevin Taylor Edidi Kufuwa tem as a pelno. I show disrespect. I can say offensive conduct. Kevin Taylor and some more catch Kufonia offensive conduct. Contrary to our friends say our laws. It's contrary to our laws. What do I say? Contrary to our laws. And we all know, say Ghana insults, any social media insults. A crime and offensive conduct. Kevin Taylor is engaging in all those things with impunity, and the security agencies are quiet. National security is quiet. CID is quiet. Cyber security authority is quiet. I say I'm not free range. All NDC appointees and NDC communicators, NDC insult association, ya empower mo. Monko didi amanfo atem, mundidi MPP fo atem, mundidi ayifo atem, mundidi judges atem, mundidi politicians atem, mundidi MPP fo atem, but mo die ombedidi atem bia ye beti omo. Enti in the country President Mahama government actually MPP fo nsa omo communicators and advertisers and TikTokers and bloggers say hey mu kwan say mo be kasa etia ya bai mun because we engage in any cyber crime, any insults. We are pena ya betimu. Come explain. Na ya ma obey la want to be remo acha mo no ya mo bail out to be for follow. Then na court na animal farm judges and judges are almost they are prepared them. Oh, more remand them. This is what we have reduced our politics into. Politics of insult have taken over, and Kevin Taylor is leading the charge with impunity, and he's doing it with impunity, and nobody is talking about it. Former Kufuor is being abused, is being insulted, is being exposed to public ridicule and hatred, is being to say I don't know what to do, disrespected, and President Mahama forgot himself. Former President Akufo-Addo is senior in terms of age. Mahama, President Akufo-Addo age is penny. In terms of Abrabo Wabo Brachanwo, in terms of politics, in terms of politics, or your president, and some will be a president. In terms of education, or a lawyer, or a professional lawyer, or a communicator. In terms of achievement, what Kufuor achieved, Mahama and your NDC government, you cannot achieve those things. But if this you have Kevin Taylor, most sponsor now, he has come openly to endorse you, and he's daring everybody say, touch Mahama and you touch me. He's daring everybody say, nobody should talk about this government, but he has the right to talk about everybody and insult everybody. And our judges, I'll hold our judges responsible. Some of our judges are responsible. The judiciary is responsible for Kevin Taylor, impunity. Because this guy insulted judges, insulted chiefs, insulted politicians, insulted everybody, including the judiciary. Ran down the judiciary, he insulted the Supreme Court judges, and when he had the opportunity, one of your own judges, the judiciary, decided to deal with Kevin Taylor. He was protected by the politicians. Back court the same day, and you feel it. There was not a single reprimand. Kevin Taylor was only reprimanded, and NDC as a government, and Mahama is known for this. Mahama is somebody. What did I say? They say when his people engage in impunity and crime and insult, protection. The protection comes from this way. The Attorney General will never institute a criminal trial, criminal action against them. The Attorney General of NDC will never institute a criminal action. The security agencies, Mahama time, will never go arrest. And the judiciary will not act. But I can remember, my normal example, to buttress what I'm saying, there were Muntie Trail. The former Chief Justice Atem, Sofia Akufu, the former Chief Justice, Sofia Akufu, Oba, did not left and right. Judge Wood insulted. Mutiefui led by Mugabe said, repeat the former Chief Justice. And yes, sir, they will come after them. And what they said was not only a crime, it was one threat to the judiciary, to Judge Wood. It was offensive conduct. It was more of threat. The Attorney General, that time Mahama power. The Attorney General at that time refused to act. The police refused to act. Mugabe, nobody arrested them. But you do so with the Attorney General at that time. One taking action. It took the Supreme Court judges, led by Sofia Akufu, to summon Muntie Puno for contempt of court. You invite Radio Gold. Mugabe was sentenced to serve 3 months in prison for contempt. Immediately after that, President Mahama led the ministers. Free Mugabe, and President Mahama pardoned them. Then this photo come out, say who say man no day. They were pardoned. And the ruling of Sofia Akufu on the Republic versus Muntie contempt case, no, the judiciary leaders, if Akufu said that they were worried and they were disturbed and they were disappointed in Mahama government and the police security agencies because they failed to act. Because whatever Muntie for the crime, and they failed to act. But even until the judiciary themselves decided, and then the Supreme Court have allowed Kevin Taylor to come before them after one saw to their own colleague who is currently court appeal judge. We didn't attempt at good animals. I didn't judges know her. Kevin Taylor has insulted all the members of the bench. Only in your job do attempt and muma or more. And money be to be case on himself or boy drama. The kind of things Kevin Taylor have said about the judiciary. Rubbish of when they say Tokonu insulted the current Supreme Court judges, humiliated them, exposed the judiciary to public hatred and contempt. Only for Kevin Taylor to come to Ghana, giving presidential protection. They didn't call Supreme Court, no. The judges who sat on the matter, nobody questioned Kevin Taylor. Say, look, you are here, fine. Although it's a contempt matter, law knows was on your side because that judge should have given you notice. But at least, Kratchi, the kind of things you are saying, because see, the tell make us and say, Chairman want to meet judge now, old in a semen, and I'm a say judges no television, radio. The judges watch social media because the chairman want to meet judge and say when they listen to television, social media, and this other manner, people lambast the judiciary. But the same judge has forgotten to Kevin Taylor is leading the charge, and all the Supreme Court judges know they know what is happening in the country. They are citizens. They watch social media. They know the impunity of Kevin Taylor, but when he appeared before them, they pretended not to see him. And they granted him his request. He was escorted and then given presidential treatment and left. And this person is suspecting everybody in the country, and the judiciary is not acting. The police is not acting because, oh yeah, Obe come at you. This boy, Kevin Taylor, this stupid, useless boy, Kevin Taylor, is blackmailing the government of the day. Mahama cannot act because information we are rough, I bet damage you. But apart from that Kevin Taylor cannot damage me. He cannot handle me. Because to handle more because he has their secret videos, their sexual videos or scandals. He knows what he has done with them. So this little government cannot handle them. Then Kevin Taylor at the judiciary. Or to be dead judiciary, he said it on his platform, said, or what judges, but for Bonnie, normal. When he went to court and lost his father's case, the father could sue FIFA for defamation, and the case was thrown away, dismissed. Kevin Taylor be free, but can't say, well, Fred Bafo Bonnie, I'm on the warning, say, he should talk to that judge. IGP, the whole, well, down party, we didn't attend Mahama. Kevin Taylor did that term rough. Sam George Mo, Hina Otunfo, Ochihine, Asofo. Oh my God. This boy is insulting, and our judges in this country, you don't see, you don't hear. Who to me there, Nikesi there, and the when somebody talk about it, and they just are hearing. But Kevin Taylor, what Kevin Taylor is doing, to the sense saying German to be case, no, Kevin Taylor is prejudging the matter or to social media and is telling the judge that he should hurry to jail German to be, and then they contempt. They are not seeing it. You see, when you read, if you do these things, God is the ultimate judge. The judiciary, the judges in this country, you are not the ultimate judge. You can jail people with the human heart, but God will jail you. God will deal with you. No, members of the bench. I'm telling you before God, man. You think that if you have the power and you can decide to change people's destiny, jail. But spiritually, when you are jailed, because if you sit in a country where Kevin Taylor and NDC can insult, but nobody can also insult. Today, Kevin Taylor is talking nonsense. It's provoking everybody. If you do, it comes after you. Why albatross in the neck of the nation is directing government affairs from US. And we have social media bullies. They bully everybody. NDC people are bullying everybody. They talk anyhow. social commentators and bloggers, NDC bloggers, social commentators, NDC pastors, NDC like that's we friends say, but also for Odro, and no lead the church. Can't quite asem did you them. It was so far. Omo ya NDC for Juma. Odro tie ono what did amatem na your friends say almost all media houses they are dealing with everybody. You know, they insult radio XYZ. They are insulting everybody left and right. If you go to the social media, NDC people are there insulting. President Mahama and NDC and the national security don't listen. Attorney General is ready. No let person cry. Oh, Munyamo. And some of our judges are comfortable. But I think, see, a judge or worth in source. If I'm a judge, there will be a bad benin say or engaging in internet abuse. And now we did the president be a terminal. I'll ask the prosecutor, say, is that the only person who has done that? What about the rest of social media doing the same? But because our judges, some of them are timorous souls, and some of them politically they are doing the bidding of the ruling government, you know, and that is exactly what the things that President Mahama talked about. Lambasa the judiciary say we have MPP judges doing the bidding, and this was and Tafikata associated himself with that comment. Say MPP time, no, they were judges who were doing the bidding. Unanimous FC. Today it has not changed. The same judges are there, and some of them are doing the bidding of the ruling government. So, Mr. Mama, you see the level when you are appointing judges based on their political colors. When you promise to reset the judiciary by balancing the bench and bringing your own people, and appointing 16 of them, now they are there ready to jail people, and you can see that there's an agenda. The agenda is on it, and what happened? And you see people like when I say Chachufikata, you said it that but today you are not talking. It is happening right on the nose. NDC people, do you know that the judiciary currently, as you speak now, your influence, the way you said Nanado had control, you are now having control over the judiciary, and it is clear how you look Tokono. It is clear how some of the judges are behaving in their ruling and their sentiments and their everything is showing clearly. Say this is what is happening, and the way the judiciary and the police are just so biased, politically tainted. Say share political social committee taben okasa or NDC MPP or NDC Akocheno MPP Ijano, and then Sanka Kebitela can come and talk nonsense, and he doesn't respect anybody in the country. We are doomed. There's sense of hopelessness. There's a curse on the nation.